good day, my wonderful people. You're welcome back to the channel. This is Yuglo Fashion. So today we'll be learning how to make this exaggerated circular ruffle sleeve, and you can see how lovely it's well placed. Though I've not finished the clothes, it's still work in progress, but at least it's coming out well. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. The velvet fabric I'm using for the tutorial, and also I will add my papers there and the crinoline, which is also the horse ear. So now I'll place that aside. So I'm using 2 inches crinoline. We have smaller sizes, different sizes, but I'm using 2 inches for this tutorial. Then I'll fold my fabric into 2, then measure the length I needed. So I needed 7 inches. So now I've gotten my 7 inches. I'll go ahead and fold it into 4. You can see the way I'm folding mine. So I'll fold it into 4 and ensure there's no ruffles inside. Is well placed. You know how velvet can be, so you ensure that it's well placed. Then I'll measure the 7 inches. So from this point I'll go around with the 7 inches. So this 7 inches, I've added my hem line, my hem allowance with it, and I want it very bogus. That's why I'm using 6.5 or 7 inches, so to say. So now after measuring that round, I'll just cut it out. So after cutting, this is what I have: a full circle. So I'll go ahead and fold it back the way it should be. So the next thing now is to move to my machine. So I've added my stay and I cut another fabric for the lining, and I ensure I cut plenty circle, like 7 circles. So it depends on how exaggerated or how bogus you want the sleeve to be. So I'll go ahead and stitch my crinoline. After that, I'll top stitch. Then there's the facing. So I'll join both the facing and the velvet together. After stitching the two together, this is the result I have. Then I'll go ahead and cut from the lining side. I'll cut it open, that's the middle, so as to give me room to turn the velvet out. You can see the way I'm doing it. So after bringing it out, before I go ahead to iron it, I'll first stitch the edges so that it will make it relax well. I don't want it dragging each other, so I will stitch the edge. Now after stitching, I ironed everything. You can see how flat it is now. So like I said, I cut 7, so you can see the 7. Now to make the sleeve, this is how you fold it. Then you use your needle and thread to tack it, but in this case I'm just going to tack like 4 together. You can do yours one after the other, but I'm going to tack like 4 together. And also you can tack yours on the fabric, on the clothes directly, but I just decided to tack it with my hand here. Then I'll do the finishing on the clothes. So you can say you need to be strategic about the placing. Just place it to bring out nice design, nice style. So, and ensure when you are tacking, you are holding the four. I mean, when it is folded, it will look like four pieces. So ensure they are well tagged together, because if you don't tag them together, one might just fall out. You can see the way I'm tacking my hand. When you're tacking, to use this hairdresser needle, the long needle. Then after tacking the four together, I'll go ahead and pick, you can see the way it's looking. I'll go ahead and pick the remaining three and tag them as well. So it's very easy. Just be strategic about it, like I said earlier. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel for more videos. And if you have any question concerning this tutorial, please put it in the comment section. And for those that have been giving me nice messages, I'm very grateful for that. So now, after tacking everything together, I'll go ahead and stitch it to the shoulder of my clothes, of my dress. So you can see the way I'm doing. Just ensure they are well tagged so that they don't fall out or fall off. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Remain blessed and love you. Bye.